Risalamande is a traditional Danish dessert served on Christmas Eve. A single whole almond is hidden inside the risalamande, and the lucky finder gets a small gift, mandelgaven, the almond gift. This recipe for risalamande is from my late grandma, and if you ask me, this is the best risalamande recipe ever. The recipe has real vanilla and plenty of big chunky almond pieces. You can also add a dash of port, which gives the risalamande a more grown-up flavor. It's so good, I'll eat it all year round, not just during the holidays. Let's start with the vanilla sugar, as we'll need the empty vanilla pot for the rice pudding. Split the vanilla bean lengthwise and scrape out the seeds. Mix the seeds with a little sugar to separate them, set aside for later. First, we make the rice pudding base. This is best done one day in advance. Add rice and water to a pot. Bring the rice and water to a boil while stirring, and continue stirring until the water is absorbed. Add the milk while stirring. Add the empty vanilla pod. Add sugar. Bring to a boil and let it simmer on low heat for about 45 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent it from burning. Once the rice pudding is ready, let it cool down before proceeding with the rest of the recipe. In the meantime, let's whip the cream and prepare the almonds. Pour boiling water over the almonds and let them soak for a minute. Then it's easy to peel off the skin. If you have an almond gift prepared, remember to put aside one whole almond. Roughly chop the almonds and set them aside for later. Whip the cream into a light foam. Combine the cold rice pudding with the chopped almonds and the vanilla sugar you made earlier. Gently fold in the whipped cream. Now is also the time to add the port if you want that. Serve with warm cherry sauce. If you have an almond gift, remember to add the whole almond before serving.